Hi there, Kim from Thank You Body Zines here. So today I wanted to share a zine that's very close to my heart, and it's called Body Affirmations. What this is a handy tool that you can use if you're wanting to learn to appreciate your body more or improve your body image. So what it does is it takes you through a series of positive and encouraging statements about your body that are easy to use and apply in a very simple and practical way. So I made the zine because in my work as a dietitian, what I was finding was that many of my clients were struggling with their body image. And also in our culture, I think it's really habitual to think negatively and speak negatively about our bodies amongst each other. So I really wanted to create a tool that was accessible to use, that you could use from home and could support body image as well. So how do you use this zine? What I suggest doing is pop it somewhere accessible, like by your bed, and then either in the morning or the evening, just open it up to a random affirmation and read it aloud. And that is it. It's really just the practice of thinking about our bodies or a little bit more positively. And so there's also heaps of room in here too, so that you can write and add your own affirmations, which is great. And so this is a really handy tool if you're just wanting to do some simple exercises to start thinking about your body more positively. I should say that the affirmations in here really focus on how our bodies try to support us. They are safe, they're positive, and inclusive. So that's all I was going to share today. If you've got any questions at all about body affirmations or about the zine, pop it in the comments below, and I will see you next week with another zine. Okay, bye.